Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using my Ninja Creami Deluxe to make one of my personal favorite ice creams. High protein, dark sweet cherry ice cream. This is something that you definitely don't want to pass up on. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe, we're going to need some low-fat cottage cheese, some frozen sweet dark cherries, a little bit of vanilla extract, monk fruit sweetener, some sugar-free Geffen cones, and some Kroger Carb Master milk. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, this one is really easy to get ready. We can do everything right in our creamy pint. The first thing we're gonna do is add in our cottage cheese. Then we'll throw in our monk fruit sweetener and our vanilla extract. Get those mixed up really good and combined. Next, we're gonna add in our cherries. These are frozen, so you're not really gonna be able to mush them up, but you really don't need to. The Ninja Creami is gonna take care of that for us whenever we process everything. Anyway, you just wanna get it mixed up so it's just at least kind of sort of evenly distributed. It's not even really that important. Then we're gonna pour in our Kroger Carb Master milk and give that a good stir. Get it nice and combined as well. Okay, and once you get that mixed up, we're gonna throw on our lid, and you just wanna double check to make sure you didn't fill this past the scoopable max fill line right there. If you come in a little bit below it, it's fine, but if you're over that, you're gonna run the risk of this thing overflowing when you process because the whole thing expands. Okay, now all we gotta do is put this in the freezer for at least 24 hours. Be sure to set this onto a nice level surface to make sure it doesn't freeze cockeyed. Otherwise, if it does, you risk messing up your Ninja Creami and you don't wanna do that. Now all we gotta do is wait.
2,000 years later.
Now that it's been a day or two, I think we're ready to make some dark cherry ice cream. And we'll throw in our pint, throw on the lid, lock that lid into place, throw this into our Ninja Creami and lock it in. And I think we'll process the entire thing. So we'll hit full and we'll switch this over to light ice cream since it's low fat and we're not using regular sugar. Now all we gotta do is start this up. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Well, that definitely needs a respin. What? You can see that when it looks sandy or crumbly like this, usually means that it was a little bit too cold. So, no problem, we can throw this back in. Lock that back in. We're gonna do full again, and this time we're just gonna hit the respin button. All right, let's try this again. Let's see if the second time is the charm. And that looks way better. Let's serve this up. This ice cream is fantastic. You really need to try it. And if your only experience with cherry ice creams is cherry vanilla, then you got another thing coming to you because this is gonna blow it away. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Creami Deluxe that I use for this recipe, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. In case you haven't noticed, I now have the Joe's Phenomenal merch store online. You can see a few of the products I have available down below the video window, and if you go into Spreadshop from down there, you can see all the rest. I also have a link to the store down in the video description. All proceeds from the store go right back into the YouTube channel to try to make it just a little bit better experience for you. If you liked this video, and I hope you did, then I think you're really gonna like this video right here where I showed you how to use the Ninja Creami Deluxe to make some really awesome coconut ice cream. That's another keeper, and it's way different than the stuff that you can buy in the store. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.